Buying a second-hand bike, one mistake can cost you 20,000 rupees or even more. In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy a used bike, this video will save you money, time and a lot of headaches. Trusting the looks. Many bikes look clean and shiny, but that doesn't mean they are in good condition. Always check for repaint, look closely at panels and tank. If you see color mismatch, it could mean an accident history. Also check alignment, the bike should look straight. Second mistake, trusting the kilometer reading blindly. Low kilometer doesn't always mean a good bike. Check the condition, tires, seat, switches, etc. If the bike looks worn out but shows low kilometer, that's a red flag. Third and most important, not checking the engine properly. Always start the bike when it's cold. Listen carefully, any knocking sound is a warning sign. Check the exhaust. If you see smoke, it means expensive repair is coming. Next mistake, not doing a proper test ride. Don't just ride for 1 minute. Check gear shifting, clutch feel, brakes and stability. If the bike pulls to one side, there could be a problem. Another big mistake, not checking documents properly. Always verify RC, insurance and owner details. If anything is missing or doesn't match, don't take the risk. Spending 10 extra minutes checking these things can save you thousands later. Don't rush, don't trust blindly, inspect everything properly. So these are the biggest mistakes people make while buying a second-hand bike. Avoid this and you will make a much smarter purchase. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe and comment below what's your experience buying a used bike.